Yes, friend. So today I'm going to demonstrate the atmospheric pressure, the applications of atmospheric pressure. So, atmospheric pressure, as you know, it's the pressure exerted by the atmosphere. So that can be used for the different purposes. There are the different applications. So let's see the first one. So here we have got this marble piece. It is quite heavy. So now if we place a sucker on it, suppose this you have seen this is the mobile stand. So there is a sucker here at the bottom. So if we place this sucker on this marble piece, then you will find that the atmospheric pressure that is exerted on it, the air inside it that comes out as this. There is one clip. When I just press this clip, then the air from the inside that comes out, and atmosphere that exert the pressure on this outer surface. And due to this, the this pressure is quite high, and even it is able to lift this marble piece. So that is the one of the application of the atmospheric pressure. So if we have to remove it, so we can like this we can remove, and this when the air will go in, then it will come out. So this is the one of the applications. Now next application of the atmospheric pressure that can be demonstrated, that is the, if we take a liquid, then the atmospheric pressure is exerted on the liquid. And if you have got this syringe in this, when it is in this position, then there is a air inside it, because air will enter from the needle and it will go inside. But in this position there is no air inside it. Now if we place it in the liquid, suppose this is the water, if I place it in this liquid, atmospheric pressure is exerted on the liquid surface. Due to this, when I will just pull it back, then the water or the liquid that will start moving up in the syringe. So this is one of the this application, because inside it was there was no air. So due to the atmospheric pressure on the liquid surface, which is in this beaker, the liquid that moves up in the syringe. So this is the another application. So same application that can be used in this straw or the tube. So straw and tube, when we place it in the liquid, and then at present there is a air inside this straw or inside this glass tube. So when we suck it from here, we suck the air out, the air will come up. There is a vacuum inside it, and the atmospheric pressure which is exerted on the liquid in this beaker, that will start moving up in the glass tube. So these are some of the applications of this atmospheric pressure.